remote workers, welcome back to the channel. Yes, so today we have this work from home opportunity worldwide. Yes, as you can see, this job was posted 10th of July. Yes, today, customer care specialist. Yes, this is the company. WP Media is hiring remote customer care specialist, and this is their salary. As you can see, they don't pay high amounts, which means you can work from anywhere. If you are in Africa, this money is enough, So the location is worldwide. Yo, do you love delivering outstanding customer service and exceeding expectation? Are you excited to be girl to person for customers? Do you have experience working with WordPress or related pouring or themes and so many more? So become our new customer care specialist. In your job as customer care specialist, you will manage the customer and prospect non-technical requests. You will be responsible for making their experience great by providing friendly assistance. Yes, WRocket is premium coaching plugin for WordPress used by this plus 3 million website and plus 135 customers worldwide. Yes, join our marketing team, which based in Europe. This is why you should ideally live in a country that align with European time zone, which means if you are in Africa, most of the country in Africa have this European time zone. Yes, we are seriously to know which new country will be added to our distributed team map. So guys, I'm encouraging you to apply. As you can see, this job was designed for those who are in Africa, in Asia. Guys, this job is for you. You can apply and get this job. Again, customer care specialist. All right, what you'll be doing in your everyday job of customer care specialist, you will first of all enjoy connecting with people. Here's the list of descripting the mission of involved in this position. Do you happen to like making the list? You will provide friendly and professional assistance, mainly through email and social media. Direct managers. You will manage our Trustpilot page, replying to reviews. You will review affiliate application. You will invaluable feedback to the market and product teams will help improve our customer experience. Okay, here there is their qualification. Previous experience in customer service, outstanding communication skills, excellent writing skills in English, attention to details and customer orientation, organization and multitasking skills. As you can see, there is no experience required. Do you want to know 3 other things we appreciated about this candidate? Stand-up mentality, previous remote experience, the involvement in WordPress community. Yes, guys, as you can see, there is no degree required to this job. Yes, if you have this qualification they are looking for, go ahead and apply. As you can see, this job was posted today, July 10th. Act quick and apply to this job. I believe you can get this salary. This salary might be for you guys, okay? So now, let's move on to other jobs we have. I'm gonna link the link in the description box for this video. Again, if you have any question related to finding jobs, guys, hit me in the comment. I will directly give you the direction. But guys, as always, I do like to share with you where I get the jobs. Yes, if you write in your Google, type remotive.com, and then you have to filter worldwide jobs. They have so many jobs, but guys, I do like to choose jobs which don't have experience. As you can see, that job of customer care specialist from WP Media, they don't request you to have experience. But for example, if you see this high amount of money, $100, and you don't have experience, expect to not get the job. Yes, but if you get this kind of money, 22,000 per year, it means you have high chance to apply to this job. There is this one as well, but they have high pay. So if you have experience in senior developer, you can apply. Okay, so they have so many jobs, and also there is this job freelancer writer, IAPWE. The website is remotive.com. This is the only YouTube channel which will give you the source of jobs. Guys, I do all the best to make sure you be satisfied with what I share with you guys. You know where I got the jobs, everything. If you have a question, ask me, well, guys, this is how you're gonna do. If you have on this remotive.com and type it on your Google, and then you can even create alert, sign up for free. They have free jobs, guys. You don't have to pay to get updates from them. And guys, I do encourage you to visit this Simply Hired every single day. But also I will continue making video, and if I get simple job to apply to, yes, I will be sharing with you as well. As you all know, I do like this website simplyhired.com. What you're gonna do is to write on your Google browser and write simplyhired.com and filter the job. You can see they have jobs 100% remote. They have virtual assistant. They have, so for example, if you look for data entry jobs, and then you go to filter here 24 hours, yes, and then search. Yes, for example, this is data entry from this company. Yes, you can see from this company, and then this is their payment. This is their pay. They pay up to 50,000 per year. Yes, you can see the job description. There is no high requirement, guys. Yes, obviously it's data entry. If you have prior experience in medical experience, that will be great. Yes, at least 2 years in data entry as well. Experience working in Microsoft Excel, all those stuff. Yeah, there is other jobs, work from home, TCT. Yes, please visit this website, simplyhired.com. Yes, search. You're gonna search and make sure if you are looking for data entry, you have to type data entry and then remote, then you filter here 24 hours. Okay, we have this customer service representative from this company, Endurance. Yes, if you go to this website, endurancewarrant.com, and then you go to their careers, yes, careers is down here, and then you will see all these jobs. Yes, they have, it's pretty much is the company which work remotely 100%, so you can find part-time job, full-time job, also IT jobs. You can find if you are in a cell, in operation, IT, and also if you want to apply with them in the future, you can still submit your resume, and then they will hire or they can contact you in the future. Guys, I hope this helps a lot for you guys. Let me know in the comments. Keep sharing my video. I love you all. I hope to see you in the next video. Have a great time. Bye bye.